Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2013 BMW X3. Doing a couple of things to this. This video itself is going to be doing some front pads and rotors. I've already got this side set up. This is the driver's side. A couple little things that I got. So 17 millimeter for the studs. T40, I believe. Let's see. Yep, T40 to take out the little nut right here that holds the rotor in place during assembly. And we got T45 for the screws that hold the actual caliper onto the bracket. The bracket is a 16 millimeter. You can use either a wrench or socket, whichever that you so choose. I was able to get my gun back in there and zip off those bolts nice and easy. Going back together, these do not have shims for where the brake pad itself rides on, so clean them up nice and good, spray them off, and then I'll put a little bit of brake grease where it actually slides in here to make it less problematic. But brake grease all around the back, clean the caliper off, brake clean, can clean the bracket off with brake clean. This side doesn't have the sensor. The driver's side has the sensor. That side has already been replaced, but the sensor is pretty simple. It just clips in to the back. There'll be a little clip part right here, and then followed up through, usually behind a wheel well area over here. There'll be a little box. Just take it loose from there. Pretty simple as far as that. Then use a caliper compressor tool. Press the caliper back in, slap the pads on, put everything back in, and then put your new clip on there, anti-rattle clip. Be easy on the brakes for about the first mile. I always tell my customers, till the new pads and rotors match up, they're going to feel a little extra funny to you. But after about a mile worth of driving, everything's just the way it's supposed to be. Alright, stay tuned. Going to be doing some rear brakes on this one, and see what else I can come up with. I think I got some light bulb assemblies or something I'll be putting in, but stay tuned. Questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.